Welcome back to the garden, fellow enthusiasts. As we step into a new year, the promise of a fresh growing season fills the air with excitement and hope. The sight of the first daffodils always brings a sense of anticipation for the year ahead. These early blooms are a reminder that nature is waking up, ready to burst into life. This year, let's make it our most bountiful yet. Imagine your garden overflowing with vibrant vegetables, each one a testament to your hard work and dedication. It's time to roll up our sleeves and prepare our gardens for a productive 2025. The foundation of a successful garden is in the preparation, so let's get our hands dirty. Remember the joy of harvesting your own crisp lettuce or the sweet scent of homegrown tomatoes? These moments are the rewards of our labor, the fruits of our patience and care. That's the magic we're aiming for. A garden that not only feeds our bodies but also nourishes our souls with its beauty and bounty. And trust me, a little effort now will pay dividends in the months to come. The time we invest today will bring us joy and satisfaction throughout the year. So let's grab our tools, put on our gardening gloves, and get started on the path to a truly rewarding gardening experience. Together we can make this the best growing season yet. Before we even think about seeds or seedlings, let's talk planning. A garden without a plan is like a ship without a compass. A well-thought-out plan is the cornerstone of any successful garden. It helps you visualize your space, organize your thoughts, and set realistic goals. Grab your notebook and a cuppa. This is where the magic begins. Jot down your ideas, sketch your dream layout, and let your imagination run wild. Start by assessing your available space. Measure your garden area and take note of any existing structures or plants. Are you working with raised beds, containers, or a sprawling backyard? Each type of garden space has its own unique advantages and challenges. Consider how much sunlight different areas receive throughout the day. Sunlight is crucial for plant growth, so observe your garden at different times. Next, think about what you love to eat. Tomatoes bursting with flavor, fresh herbs for your culinary adventures, crisp cucumbers for refreshing salads, or maybe some leafy greens for nutritious meals. Choose varieties that thrive in your climate and soil type. Research what grows best in your region and plan accordingly. This is about growing what you enjoy. A well-planned garden not only brings joy, but also a bountiful harvest. Now let's turn our attention to the most crucial element, the soil. The quality of your soil can make or break your garden. It's not just dirt, it's a living ecosystem that supports plant life. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. It's rich in organic matter and teeming with beneficial organisms. These organisms help break down organic material, releasing nutrients that plants need to grow. It's teeming with life, providing essential nutrients for our plants. Earthworms, fungi, and bacteria all play a role in maintaining soil health. They create channels for air and water to penetrate, which is vital for root development. The first step is to get your hands dirty. Dig into your soil to understand its texture and composition. Is it sandy, clayey, or loamy? Each type has its own set of characteristics and challenges. Take a soil sample and send it off for testing. This will give you a detailed analysis of its pH level and nutrient content. This will tell you its pH level and nutrient content, guiding your next steps. Knowing your soil's pH is crucial because it affects nutrient availability. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Based on the results, you can amend your soil accordingly. If your soil is too acidic, you might need to add lime. If it's too alkaline, sulfur can help balance it out. Add compost, well-rotted manure, or other organic matter to improve its structure and fertility. These amendments will enhance the soil's ability to retain moisture and nutrients. Remember, good soil is the key. A well-prepared soil bed will set the stage for a bountiful harvest and a beautiful garden. In this modern age, sustainable gardening is more important than ever. Let's be mindful of our impact on the environment while nurturing our gardens. One simple way is to conserve water. Install a rain barrel to collect rainwater for irrigation. Use mulch around your plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds, reducing the need for frequent watering. Finally, embrace biodiversity. Plant a variety of flowers to attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. These tiny helpers will keep pests in check naturally, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Happy gardening!